let's take a look and see how you might choose your spring 2025 classes if you are in design and engineering technology. So the first thing you do, go to the American River College homepage, find the academics tab, and look at programs and majors. Do that before you search for classes. And come on down here. Here's our design and engineering technology. And there we are. Okay. And on the overview page, you're going to find a list of our classes and some roadmaps. Those are very important. And our course offering plan. So this is your spot where you do your planning from. Okay. You'll notice that we have foundational courses. Those are ones with no prerequisites. Technical courses, those require at least one of these foundational courses before you can take it. Usually Design 301, Intro to CAD. And then we have our advanced project courses. Let's take a look and see what those are. Foundational courses are 301, 300, and 320. Intro to CAD, Intro to Design Resources, and three-dimensional graphics and design. So those are just good to know no matter what field of design you're going to go into. Even if it's landscape design, landscape architectural design, graphic design, interior design, or our own design, some mechatronics people. These are just good general foundational courses that teach you some basic skills. Okay, so and Design 301 is pretty much the prerequisite for these technical courses. Okay, in general, we hope that you get all of these done in your first semester. If not, you can fill those in your second or third semester. Okay, but in general, we want to get those done your first semester. So if you're missing any of these, try to fill them in as fast as you can. Then we've got our technical courses, 302, 310, 325, and 328. Technical documentation, graphic analysis and documentation, architectural modeling, and engineering modeling. Okay, those go into the technical components of doing those things, and they will mostly be AutoCAD, Inventor, Revit, some SketchUp. And there's a bunch of modeling, and of course, here is 2D documentation. 301, 302. 301, 300, 320 plus 302 qualifies you for our ladder certificate, CAD operator entry level, which helps you get internships or entry level work while you're finishing up these other classes. Okay, and after that, we have our advanced courses, 330, which has been replaced with 331, 360, and 350, which has been replaced with 351, 352. So let's see when those are offered for you. Here they are. We can go over here, and let me zoom in on that. You'll find that, let me go out one step. There we go. Our foundational courses are offered fall and spring, and 301 is offered in the summer. So you can pick those up at any time. 301, we're fortunate to offer on ground and asynchronous separately. 300 and 320 are listed as in person, but we allow synchronous and asynchronous online. Just sign up for the in-person and contact the professor. Okay. Once you've got 301 done, you qualify for 302, 310, 325, and 328. And you see in the spring, we only offer 302, 325, and 328. Okay? A combination of these are required for the advanced projects. If you've had Design 301, you want to take 302, 325, 328 in the spring. And then you can fill in with one of these that you may not have. Okay, so that's your spring enrollment. Fill in this, 302, 325, 328, if you've had 301. Okay, and then fill in with as many of these as you can fit in your schedule. Okay, 325 is an in-person class. 302 has an in-person section and an online section, and 328 is an online class. There you go. That's your spring for the foundational and technical. Now, if you've had 302 and either 325 or 328, you qualify in the spring for advanced courses, 331 and 362. That's a first 8 week, second 8 week, in-person class, which we allow online learning, and 360, which is an in-person class, and we allow online learning. So if you have had 302, 325, or 328, 310 is asked for. You can contact the instructor if it's a requirement if you have not had it. Okay, but these are the two that you want to sign up for sure. And then if you have not had all of these, you fill in with what you haven't had. Okay, so there you go. That is what to take in the spring if you are a design and engineering technology major.